Good morning. This is Frank with Stalkers. It's December 16th at it's about 10 minutes too late Central Standard Time. For the next 3 to 5 minutes, going to give you a look at the market on the ES and give you targets to the upside, targets to the downside, possible areas of consolidation. Just a kind of a down and dirty quick look. As we look, we had the overnight open at for the London session. Looks like we opened somewhere around 36.25. Just basically rode this 24-hour VWAP white line all the way up till around 3:40 this morning. Kind of creeped up, went through our first target zone at 45.50, increased up, and actually this is a yesterday top of a zone from yesterday at 50.50 for our overnight high. Anyway, worked our way back for a retest of this zone, bounced right off of it. Looks like a small double top here, and right back below it to support, and also this 24-hour VWAP where we've just kind of maintained and consolidated this morning till about 7:15. Had news this morning for mortgage applications, which were down about 1%, I believe. We had some housing starts at 7:30, which pushed the market up. I didn't hear the actual numbers on them. Be careful of all news today. Obviously, FOMC is the big thing, but we have PMI at 8:45. We got oil inventories as well. FOMC 1 o'clock Central, and then at 1:30 will be the Fed chair press conference where Janet Yellen's will be talking to us, and depending on what she says, she any kind of dovish comments, we may get just an immediate downturn. Might be short-lived. Depends whether they really go through. The market is expecting at least a 1% hike today in the Fed rates. We'll see what happens. So as we take a look today, the market's sitting right here at 48.75 right now. We've bounced off support, did a retest here and up. So obviously our first target to the upside is going to be 52.25, unless we just absolutely fail right here again. And if we do, then we're going to look for some consolidation. And today is probably just going to be a really choppy, consolidated day until the Fed reduces, excuse me, announces the news this afternoon at 1 o'clock. So if we happen to break this 40, 50 area here, which is our immediate resistance, we get pull back and we should come straight up. We might not get the pullback. It may just shoot straight up to this target since we've already tested it twice at that overnight high. Going up into this target, take some profit off, let one run. Next possible target will be 57.50, followed by 64, and then on up for today at our zones. Up into the 71 area, 71, 72. This is going to be a real tough resistance area. Look for a big pullback back into this, maybe 5 to 10 point pullback before going up, or this may be a major consolidation area after FOMC news. So unless we break this area within this morning, like I said, a lot of consolidation for today to the downside. Obviously, the first thing we're going to look for is a move back below this 24-hour VWAP and this pivot down to this major zone. Look for a pullback up in here to retest this down, and this is where I see the most likely neighborhood for consolidation with any kind of bad news this morning is breaking down below here and actually consolidating between this 24-hour pivot and this major support structure right here at 35.50. If we can get a break of this and head down to this next zone, look for a little bit of retest, and if we're likely to head right down to 25, down to here, and possibly down to 2,000, and retest this 38.2 retracement again, depending on the news of the FOMC. Be cautious, be careful. New traders would just be advised to just sit today out and wait for tomorrow. Let's just start it. We take a day, relax, just let the market do what it's doing. If you have any questions, contact me at frank@tradestalkers.com, and have a great day.